If you're having trouble signing into your Hulu account, follow these simple steps to get started. Whether you're on your computer, mobile device, or streaming device, signing into Hulu is quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Hulu app or website on your computer. Go to the Hulu website using any web browser. On your mobile device, open the Hulu app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. On your streaming device, open the Hulu app on your smart TV, gaming console, or other compatible device. Step 2. Click on the Login button. On the website, you'll find the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. On the mobile app, tap the Login option on the start screen. For streaming devices, navigate to the Login option in the app's menu. Step 3. Enter your email and password. Type the email address associated with your Hulu account in the first field. Enter your password in the second field. Make sure there are no typos. Double-check both fields if you're having trouble signing in. Step 4. Click Login. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button to access your account. Step 5. Troubleshooting tips, if needed. If you're unable to sign in, double-check your credentials and try again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in screen to reset it. Ensure your internet connection is stable for smooth login. Step 6. Enjoy Hulu. Once you're logged in, browse through Hulu's wide selection of movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. You can also adjust your account settings, check your subscription, or log out when finished. For more tutorials or troubleshooting tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.